Dear students, in this video we are discuss about the covalent bond. It is formed by sharing of valence electron between two atoms. It is formed by sharing of valence electron between two atoms to complete its octet are known as sharing of valence electron between two atoms in order to achieve stable electronic configuration. Is called covalent bond. Main thing है sharing of valence electron. Now, for example, F2. Fluorine has a atomic number 9 and we know that it has a 2 electron in K cell. तो 9 में से 2 गए तो कितने बाकी रहे 7 electron in L cell. So in order to complete its noble gas like electronic configuration, neon like configuration लेना है जहाँ पे 2 and 8 cell होता है तो इसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए था. What this fluorine can do? We can represent this valence electron, the electron present in the outermost cell, is called as valence electron. So fluorine has a 7 valence electron. It is represented by 7 dot around the fluorine atom. So fluorine atom A and fluorine atom B, both the fluorine atom, they can share their valence electron, 1 valence electron with each other, and this result into formation of F2 molecule, and this valence electron which is shared by both the fluorine atom is located between two atoms, and normally such shared pair of electron are represented by single bond. फ्लोरीन एटम ए ने भी अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया और बी ने भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया, तो इसके हिसाब से फ्लोरीन के आसपास 2 4 6 8 ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया. नोबल गैस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 8 is called as octet, 2 4 6 8. In this way this F2 molecule is formed. In this way whatever the F2 molecules get generated, it's played a very important role in stability of molecule. Normally covalent bond is stronger in nature. Normally it is stronger in nature whenever it is within the molecules. Within the molecules, अपने molecules के लिए वो stronger है. Covalent bond is stronger. But when we compare it with other molecules like NaCl, it is weaker. But the intermolecular forces are weak. But intermolecular forces are weak. Due to this weaker intermolecular forces between the covalent यानी F2 molecule 1 और F2 molecule 2, इन दोनों के बीच का molecular forces weak रहता है. Molecular forces between the two molecule is weak, and due to this weaker intermolecular forces, covalent bonded molecule has a lower boiling point or melting point. लोअर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, उनके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कम होते हैं एज कंपेयर टू आयनिक कंपाउंड. तो सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आएगा कि व्हाट्स अबाउट द कंडक्टिविटी. As the covalent bonded molecules does not form ions, they does not conduct the electricity, or they are a poor conductor of electricity. They are poor conductor of electricity. Why covalent molecule does not form ions? Because covalent bonded molecules are formed by sharing of valence electron. Covalent molecules are formed by sharing of its valence electron. Hence, they do not form ions or charged particles. In the next video, we will discuss about the various type of covalent bonds in carbon and its compounds. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe our channel and share the video with others. Enjoy your study with career. Bye.